So I arrived home after a very long and stressful day. One of my biggest forms of self care that I like to do is just basically my nighttime routine. So, guys, welcome to my Get Unready with Me video. Self care comes in many forms. One of the things that I like to invest in is definitely my skincare and my body care. And so for me, self care just means just really taking care of your overall health inside and out. So these are some of my favorite products. So first up, we're going to start off with my Bobbi Brown cleansing oil. This is one of my favorite products that I like to use. It removes any waterproof makeup. I like to start off by just pumping a few pumps into the palm of my hand, and then I will take it and just make sure that I really get that worked into my skin, because I feel like soon as I put it on, it just instantly starts dissolving all of my makeup. There's tons of cleansing oils on the market, but ever since I've tried this one, I just haven't gone back because it removes the most waterproof mascara, makeup, anything. It just takes off that first layer of makeup. Now, what I like to do before I jump into the shower is, if I'm not already just basically washing my hair, I do not like for my hair to be wet. So I pretty much put my hair up with a couple claw clips, and I'll either have like a headband or something just so water is not splashing everywhere. I used to be a Bath and Body Works girl with the shower gel, but this Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash is amazing. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth and soft. It's just one of my favorite things to wash with, and it smells great. Now guys, while I do like to splurge on my skincare, I don't feel like everything has to be super expensive. So this is a really good affordable facial wash that I use. It's by Good Molecules. I love how my skin feels once I use this. I feel clean, it lathers, very soapy. I just love it. And next, this is a product that I feel like everybody should be using. So this is a face and body exfoliating towel. So I just feel like this just gets any dead skin off of my body. I feel so clean. It's one of my holy grail products. Like, I don't see how anybody's not using this. And plus, I feel like it doesn't store bacteria like most washcloths do. So this is another really good product that is good for exfoliating. So I love this because I have cellulite, and I feel like it does help with that when I'm like exfoliating the dead skin. I feel like it's great for like when I go to shave my legs, because I end up getting a really good and close shave. So you don't have to use this particular brand, but you should definitely be exfoliating your legs at least once a week. Commotion for the outfit. How cute is it? Only $10, TJ Maxx. You already know the vibes. And I absolutely love Hemp's body lotion. I would choose it over Bath & Body Works any day of the week. It just really does leave my skin feeling very moisturized. And of course, you'll see in the next clip that I do go in with a body oil as well. Now, I got the Equate one. Girl, it just leaves my skin feeling so silky, so fresh. And of course, after you exfoliate and you have that really soft skin, baby, all I could do is just slip and slide in them sheets, okay? Now, there is a medical term for this, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but I used to get these really bad boils under my arms. But I started using Mitchum deodorant, and I've used it for 25 years, and I will not switch to anything else because this has just changed my life. Your dental care routine is just as important as your makeup routine or your skincare routine. So I just basically use either Crest or Colgate, nothing too fancy. And then after I brush my teeth, I like to go in and floss. Now I get these from TJ Maxx. They're from the Humble Company. They're so good. I typically know when I haven't flossed enough, because if I do it and my teeth start bleeding, that means that I'm not flossing enough. So I like to use these pretty much after I brush my teeth. And this is a new product that I just recently picked up. This is the TheraBreath. It is pretty much an oral rinse. I used to use Listerine, but baby, every time I would use that, it would bite me. And so this one is not as harsh, so I really do like it. And every time I use it, I just basically put it in my mouth and I swish around for about a minute. I feel like the minimum you should be using a oral rinse is about a minute. I'm a firm believer that your toner should not burn your skin when you put it on. And so I really like this toner because it does have cucumber extract, so it's very calming. This is the Bobbi Brown Face Tonic. I just love it. It just makes my skin feel really, really good and soft, and it preps my skin for my moisturizer. And I also picked up these caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches from Good Molecules. The caffeine just helps with like any puffiness. I feel like it does just really help hydrate under your eye. So when you go to put your eye creams on, it just makes it penetrate deeper into the skin. All right, so I'm going in with a serum. This is the Vitamin Enriched Serum from Bobbi Brown. I like this product because it has vitamin C. So basically grapefruit, geranium. The vitamin C helps with like hyperpigmentation. As a woman of color, sometimes we're prone to getting hyperpigmentation, so that vitamin C just goes in to help break up some of that pigment. And the serum just leaves your skin feeling very, very soft. This is supposed to be 100 times hydration. And once you pair it with the vitamin enriched face base, it just really hydrates your skin. Now, this one has the vitamins A, C, and E in it, and it also has a primer built in. So if you want to wear it during the daytime, you can. One thing that I like about these Good Molecules eye patches is once you take them off, you can just pretty much take the rest of the product and work it into the eye. And you don't even have to use an eye cream, so you can actually skip that whole step. All right, the last step to my skincare routine is basically a lip balm. This is the Bare Pink Lip Balm by Bobbi Brown. It has a very sheer pink tint to it. It's very moisturizing and hydrating to the lips. And guys, that is basically it for this Get Unready With Me video. Thank you so much for tuning in, sticking it out, and thugging it out with me. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and we're just going to relax and watch some K-dramas for the rest of the night. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.